We've all done this before on Google. We've all searched for solutions to a specific assignment or an exam for a course. However, we never find what we're looking for. Let me introduce you to a very interesting application called the UTM Search Engine. This application allows users to upload documents and search for different documents related to a specific course. Let's look at this search engine with more detail. Let's take John Green as an example. John Green is a third-year U of T student studying computer science. He comes from a successful family and drives to school in a very luxurious Lamborghini Aventador. However, he parties a lot and misses most of his lectures. He decides to use the tool to find documents related to the lectures that he has missed. The first thing John sees when he opens up the website is the login page. However, since John does not have an account from before, he clicks the sign up button. Here John enters his information. As you can see, in the re-enter password field, John misses some characters. We'll see what the output is. John selects the student access type since he is a student, then clicks the create account option. However, he gets an error message saying the passwords don't match, so he decides to re-enter the information. However, he does not successfully create an account since the password wasn't 6 characters long. The third time, John enters his information, this time hoping that it works. After a successful creation of his account, he is greeted to a login page where he enters his sign-up credentials. After logging in, he is greeted to the search page. Here, John decides to enter the course code CSC 301 and searches for all documents related to it. The results show documents uploaded by students and instructors alike for the course CSC 301 and shows the publication date, as well as who uploaded it and some brief information regarding the file. He can then select the file to open it up and view its contents. John decides to go and explore the My Account page. By clicking the My Account page, he sees there's no photo added, since he did not include one while signing up. He clicks on the Edit button, where he is taken to the Edit Changes page. Here, he enters his first name and his last name, and his email, which remains the same, and selects a file for his picture. He clicks the Save button. As you can see, his photo of Darth Vader is successfully uploaded, and you can also see John is a very big fan of Star Wars Battlefront. John gets a message from his friends that they're going to a party and decides to log out of the service. Let's look at another user, Professor Smith. He's an instructor at U of T teaching anthropology. Professor Smith is being considered for tenure. To increase his chances of achieving tenure, he decides to become a bit more tech forward than he already is. Professor Smith only browses the web through his MacBook. He decides to use the UTM Search Engine to upload files. Similarly like John, he goes to the sign-up page where he enters his credentials. However, this time he selects the instructor option. After successfully creating a new account, Professor Smith logs in with his credentials. He then clicks the login button. He is then directed to the search page. However, he decides he only wants to upload a document. So he goes in the menu and selects the upload button, where he is then redirected to the upload page. Here he can upload files of PDF, HTML, and TXT, each with a maximum size of 5 megabytes. He selects the Choose File button and browses for his documents. He selects the feedback.txt file and enters the course number. In this case, Anthro 101, and clicks the upload button. He gets a message saying upload successful. However, Professor Smith doesn't trust the message and decides to manually search for the file to receive confirmation. He goes in the search section of the website and he enters the keyword feedback and clicks the search button. He is then greeted to the file that he uploaded just earlier. However, he notices that the contents of the file are incorrect and he has uploaded the incorrect file. He decides to delete the file. As you can see here, he can only delete the files that he has uploaded and not files from other users since he is not the owner of those files. He selects the delete button and his file is successfully deleted. Professor Smith believes that that is enough of technology for one day and decides to log out. Let's look at another user, Kanye West. He is a fourth-year student enrolled in commerce. He works part-time as the university's janitor. However, he often does not go to classes because of his work schedule. He uses a search engine to view files related to the classes he has missed. He logs in with his credentials. Kanye uses the search engine in a different way. He searches for all documents for course CSC 301 uploaded only by an instructor and clicks the search button. He then sees documents uploaded by his instructor, Abbas, for CSC 301. He then decides to search for documents uploaded by his friend John. So he selects the uploader option and enters the keyword John 123 and clicks the search button. He then sees the document uploaded by John and can then open the file to view it. Also, open PDF files using the search engine. He decides to log out. However, he just remembers he had to do something else on the search engine, so he quickly tries logging back in. However, he forgot his username or password, so he clicks on Forgot Your Password option. There he enters his username, which he is pretty sure is correct, and clicks the Submit button. He is then prompted with a favorite song of his, so he types in the song and clicks Submit. He can then enter a new password to overwrite his existing one. He can now successfully log into the search engine. The UTM Search Engine uses a search API provided by the Google App Engine, which is very similar to Lucene. It uses the Cloud MySQL to store user credentials and also uses the Blob Store API to store files on the Google Cloud Storage service. Thank you for watching this short video demo of the UTM Search Engine. We hope this tool helps you in your adventures at the university. Thank you.